everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I'm bringing you guys my Walgreens haul, and I just said, you guys, I gotta stop saying that. I am such a habit of saying it, so I am sorry. My haul wasn't, I got a lot of stuff. It wasn't like the greatest price, but I think for everything that I got, I think it was a pretty good price. So I'm gonna share with you guys some deals. Yeah, so I thought all the Kelloggs cereal was going to be on sale, but it was literally only just the 3 like sugary ones, which is fine because I needed only 3 more left to get a free box of cereal, or to get a free book. So the Kellogg's, Fruit Loops, the Apple Jacks, and the Frosted Flakes, you guys, are all on sale for $1.99. Okay, we do have a 50% off coupon, plus I also did a digital video with a lot more deals in case you guys need to check that. But I tried it. This is my haul, and then I show a video with all digital deals. But there is a 50% off coupon, plus I also printed off $1 off of 2 printable coupons from the Kellogg's Family Rewards. I also printed off $1 off of 3, a Raisin Bran, all that stuff. But the only ones that were available were just pretty much like the Frosted Flakes, the Fruit Loops, and stuff. So I used that 50% off digital, and then I also used the $1 off 2 coupons. So you guys would pay $1.49 per box, but depending on what deal or what box of cereal you guys get, there is a different rebate. So for the Fruit Loops, you guys would get these, you can submit for a 40-cent rebate, so technically it would be $1.09 for this box of cereal. The Frosted Flakes, you can submit a 45-cent rebate, so it'll be $1.45, no, $1.44, no, $1.04 for the Frosted Flakes. And then for the Apple Jacks, you get 40 cents, so again, it'll be $1.09. So it just depends on what you guys need, but definitely go ahead and get the cereal, and then you guys can submit. I'm sorry for saying you guys, I'm trying to get out of the habit. But you can submit your receipt to the Kellogg's Family Rewards. Now, this is something that I do. If I don't know if you guys do this, but you can get double the points. So what I do is I submit my receipt, where like right when you open the page, I submit my receipt right there. And then I go to the offers where the books are, and I submit the same receipt, and I get double the points. I did that one time, and I keep forgetting that, you know, so I kind of get double the points if you guys need to do that. But get some free books. You still have plenty of time to get those free books, but definitely take advantage of that. Now, my store had a bunch of 4th of July stuff on clearance. I was not expecting that. They were 90% off, and then when I get to the registers, they were not ringing up 90% off. So if you guys get this stuff, make sure you check the price. So these, I got this stuff for next year, so this is just going in my little 4th of July bin. But I ended up getting this. This was originally $4.99. Got this for 50 cents, and I ended up getting 2 of them because it's a great deal. I ended up getting 3 of these little headbands. They have the thing in them, so I didn't pull it out. But these were $5.99, so they come out to be just 60 cents. I thought that'd be kind of cool to wear, you know, for next year for 4th of July, if we have a 4th of July. They had a pair of glasses. They had a star-shaped one, and then these were hearts. I thought these would be so cute for Miss Charlotte to wear. These were $3.99, so I got these for 40 cents. But yeah, check the registers when they do scan, because they did not ring up 90% for me. And then I ended up getting these necklaces that light up. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it, but this was $3.99, so I got this for 40 cents also. So if you guys need, you know, some stuff for next year, the way I am is I'm such a frugal person. I don't need it unless I can get it for 90% off. If it's still there when it's 90% off, then that's a sign that I can get it. I don't get everything. They had American flags for like 20 cents. They had this like bow tie thing. They had some cups. But you know, I just like it when, if it's there when it's 90% off, then I'll get it, because that's how cheap I am. So I did say this was an all-month deal, but you got your Depends, and then you also have the Poise pads. These are on $5.99. There is a $3 off coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. You guys might still have the digitals if you haven't used them yet. And there's a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You just have them scan the booklet. You guys would get this for just 99 cents. Great deal. And submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards and you will get points. I'm like, I got the Renews-Its. Now, there was a problem at the register and I'm going to contact Walgreens about this. You guys had the same problem last time. The Renews-Its are 89 cents. There is a digital coupon for buy 4, you get 2 free. Now, the digital coupon only took one off. So, it's not the store's fault. If this happens to you guys, which it most likely will, please contact Walgreens customer service and they most likely will give you points. But they need to fix that because this is, I've heard a couple times this has happened. So just giving you guys a heads up that only one of the Renews-Its came off and not 2 of them. So if it works, you guys would pay $3.56 when you buy 5 or 6 of them. But then with Ibotta, you can get $2 back when you buy 5 of them, so you're buying 6 of them anyways. So they come out to be just $1.56 or 26 cents a piece. I've been really liking it, how I've been stocking up on Renews-Its. I like it. I just kind of have these all over the place. You know, the bathrooms, the storage rooms. I just like having it. I mean, they kind of dry up pretty fast, but I mean, you can't complain for 26 cents. You know, you either can get this or you can go to a machine and get a gumball for 25 cents. So, yeah. Okay. Okay, the next deal we had was the all laundry detergent. Now, I actually had a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. There's 2 different coupons that you guys want to use. If you use the 3 off of 2, make sure you unclip the $1 off coupon. Just giving you guys a heads up. So the all is $2.99. There is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You'd end up paying $1.99. Or you can use the 3 off of 2 and you would pay $2.98. But in the Ibotta app, there is a $1 off rebate. Now it says any size, any variety. I scanned every single bottle and nothing popped up for Ibotta. So I will be contacting them, asking them, hey, I bought the stuff, the thing doesn't say anything about, you know, specific sizes, and I want my rebate. So just giving you guys a heads up, I will be contacting them if you guys need to contact them too. But if the $1 off works, if you use the $1 off coupon, it'll be $1 or 99 cents for the final price. If you use the 3 off of 2 coupon, it'll be just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. So letting you guys know on that in case you guys want to get the all. Yeah, I think I actually just got approved with Ibotta. Yeah, I got approved, but I still have to contact them on giving me my money. So there is that. I ended up getting the Dial body wash. I feel like I haven't gotten Dial body wash in forever. But these were currently on sale, 2 for $7. I cannot remember. I think you can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards on these. I cannot remember. But there is a 2 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would get this for just $2.50 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but I feel like I haven't gotten Dial in a long time. I used to get Dial all the time, but now, you know, just with everything going on, I haven't gotten Dial very much. So there's that. Now, the Garnier Fructis is on sale, 2 for $7. We do have $4 off 2 digitals, or you guys might have got them in your inserts. I don't get them, but I've been noticing that the shampoo is always on sale and rarely the products are. So now there's a big breeze and I don't know if you guys can hear me. So, I got the products because this is stuff that I needed. But you want to use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon or the paper coupon. You guys would just get these for $3 or $1.50 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but with my discount, it ended up being an okay deal. I wanted to try new hairspray, and I really am starting to like the mousse to curl my hair. So I'll do that. I've been saving all these bags for certain things. The Townhouse crackers are on sale for $1.99. You guys would pay $1.99 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making them just $1.49. So if you need some crackers, my family has been really loving these crackers lately. So that's awesome. I should get some lunch meat and some cheese, and we can make some Lunchables with these. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So that was that for that. Okay. The Venus razor. Now, pay attention to this, you guys, because I did the same deal last week and I forgot to check, or I didn't check if there was another $4 off coupon. So make sure you check. I had to return this and repurchase this because I messed up. I thought there was a digital coupon attached to this, but there was not. So I ended up returning it, and then I used a paper coupon instead. But these were $9.99. You guys want to use a $4 off digital coupon if you have it, or a P&G paper coupon. You would pay $5.99. But then you can submit your receipt to, or you don't submit your receipt. You get 3,000 points. And then the final price for that would be $2.99. Not the greatest deal, but $2.99. And you guys can submit your receipt to the P&G, so you guys will get 50 points for this product. If you guys have not done that, definitely join. I do have a video that I posted a couple weeks ago. Otherwise, if you want to comment below, I can send you the video. Basically tells you the layout of the website, but I have recommended, I've already gotten $20 back from that website. $20, and it's just been a couple weeks I've gotten 20 bucks. So letting you guys know on that. If you do buy a lot of P&G products, try to get like 5 per item. Try to separate them because the receipt only lets you get 250 points per receipt. So we gotta cheat the system a little bit and do that. Okay, the Bic pens, not everything was on sale, but these are the mechanical pencils. They had highlighters, and I didn't see really any pens on sale. But these were $1.99. There is a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can use. You get these for just 99 cents. I think 99 cents for 6 mechanical pencils is a pretty good deal. I usually get pens super cheap, but I mean, yeah, why not? Why not? Now, I did get the Revlon lip balm. Not the greatest deal, but in case you guys need this, I really like it. I actually have one in my car with me. I have one in my purse. These were $4.99. They were buy one, get one 50% off. You would pay $7.48 for this, but then you get $4 register reward. My register reward did not print off. They did change the system, she said, so there was a reason why that could have happened. They also updated the app, you guys, and I will be trying to do a new video of how to work around the app, so bear with me. I'm still learning how to use it, but they totally changed like everything on it, so letting you guys know with that. But with the $4 register reward, I got points instead. You guys would get $3.48, or these would be $3.48, or just $1.74. Now, if your store does not give you the points instead of the register reward, you can actually submit your receipt to the Catalina company. I've done that. They're pretty easy. I got denied one time, and I'm like, why was it denied? Well, it's not in the ad. I'm like, yeah, the ad's right here. Like, obviously, they didn't look. So, I guess that was it. that was it, you guys. I did do some other deals that I showed in my digital video. So my total came to $36.58. I did not pay that price, but I paid with points. I ended up supposedly getting a $4 register reward, which I got 4,000 points. I did get $11 in points back. It was for the Venus, and then I think I also hit, I may have hit Beauty. I'm not sure if I hit Beauty. Did I hit Beauty? I don't have my tall receipt. Did I hit? Yeah, I hit Beauty, so that's how I got the 5,000 points. With Ibotta, I got $3.85 back. I should be getting an additional $2 back. I will be contacting them when I get home. So my total technically came to $15.73. I got 28 items at just 56 cents a piece. I think that's a pretty decent deal. You know, pretty decent deal for that. I gotta find my coupon booklet. Okay, so that was my haul. Wasn't the greatest, but you know what? There were some pretty good deals, especially with the cereal if you need to do that, the all, and the renews it. So make sure you always check your receipts right when you get done. There's sometimes where I catch it and sometimes I don't, but you never know what could happen. I will see you guys all next time. Thank you for watching and see you guys later. Bye-bye.